Hey y'all, so I'm here at Sankofa Community Orchard checking out the plant babies that we planted here in October of last year, and everybody is doing pretty well with the exception of a couple plants that I kind of figured might not make it through the winter, but it was worth the experiment to try it. But everything else is thriving. I'll show you throughout the video and put the names on what each plant we have here is, and yeah, let's look forward to some workshops on how to work with these plants, how to get to know these plants. And I always appreciate the opportunity to share people's medicine, share plant medicine with everyone, and have people have a chance to actually come sit with the plants and get to know them like that, rather than thinking of what these plants do for us. Think about how we can work together. So I love creating spaces where we can actually sit and see these plants that a lot of times, even if we're familiar with taking tinctures or teas or things like that, we're only seeing these plants in their dried form or just as a liquid in a dropper bottle. So I really love showing people how to take these fresh plants and turn them into medicine for themselves. And also just, being around them sometimes is enough to get that medicine. So yeah, looking forward to more of this, and come out here to Sankofa Orchard and enjoy these plants. They're here for you. Peace.